Not even straight. What do you want to do? It's kind of like
Up.
there's a space there.
It should be like right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a full makeup session. I'm just following a video tutorial that I've seen online. And this is the first time that I'm doing it. I'm actually not the type of girl that wears heavy or full-on makeup on a daily basis. I hope that you enjoy this experience with me, so let's get started. Alright, so I will be starting with my eyes first, and I know that most of you would say that I should be doing the face and putting on the foundation first, but what she said is that it's okay and it's actually better to start with the eyes, because if it gets messy, you can always clean up the edge and blend it with the foundation. So that's what I will be doing. And usually, she also mentioned that most people actually use a primer to set and prep the eye area, but on her video, she actually chose to use a concealer. So I'll be using the same thing. It's a different brand. So my one is Revlon. It's a 5-in-1 concealer. So I just need to put this in my eyelids to prep my skin in this part, and mix it up and put it like all over my eyelid, and just to cover all the dark areas, dark spots, and all those veins that's showing up. Alright, so there you go. And with the eyeshadow, so I'm actually using this eyeshadow set. So this is the brand is BYS. So I've had this for a long time already. I don't have exactly the same one that she used on the tutorial, so I'm just gonna choose the shades that's closer to what she's using. Alright, so the first one, I'll be using this nude color as a base, and I'll just put it here all over my eyelid. I'm not sure if I'm holding the brush properly, but this is how I do it. So if you guys have some tips for me on how to do it properly or how I can improve better, just let me know. Alright, so the next shade is this pink color. It's light pink with a little shimmer on it. So I'll just put this one quickly and just put it on my eyelids like this. Alright, so how does it look like?
Nice.
And on the edge, I'll be using this brown, shining, shimmering color on this palette. And I'm just gonna put it on the edge in a corner of my eyelid, like the other half, where I didn't put the dark pink color earlier. Alright. It looks nice. Alright, so next one, I will need to put my eyeliner. So again, this is the most difficult part that I've seen on that tutorial, and I'm hoping that I would be able to do it properly on my one. So I will be using this false lash adhesive liner. I don't know, I think because on the tutorial she used something that has a pointy tip, and it looks so easy when she did it. So I don't know if I can do it. But I also watched another video. It's a separate video tutorial just specific for the eyeliner part, and on the tutorial they said that you have to measure or put a line from the tip of your nose up to the tip of your eyebrows like this, and that's where you draw the line for the eyeliner. So hopefully it works, but we'll see. I don't think it looks even. Alright, so the next one, I need to put on my mascara. I'm currently using Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensation. So I've had this for a long time already, and I find it pretty good. It actually extends my lashes and it makes it longer and fuller. So I'm just gonna put it on very quickly. Alright, so I think that's good enough. I don't want to put like a lot right now because I'll also be using a false eyelashes. So this one, I'll be using this Glam by Manicare, and it says it's natural. So hopefully it'll look natural when I put this on.
What?
Oh my god, why? That took me 60 years just to put on these lashes. Oh my god, I look completely different. Oh my god, but I'm loving this look so far. So here you go, guys. I've done my eyes already, so moving on, I'll be doing my face this time. I'll be putting on the foundation, and this one I will be using the L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. It says super blendable. So I've never used this in the past, so this will be the first time. Let's see if it fits or it suits my skin. And I'll use my finger to put it on my face. I don't know how much I need, but I'll put a little bit at a time, and then I'll just add some more if I need to. Make sure it's even and my face is covered properly. Alright, so next one, I'll be putting on the concealer. So I'm using the same one that I had used earlier. So I'll just put a lot in here because I have like really bad eye bags and dark circles, and I'll put all the way here to clean up the mess that I made when I put on the eyeliner. So I'll blend it all the way up to here just to clean up the edges, because it's a bit messy when I put in the eyeliner and when I put in the mascara earlier. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the difference, but I put in the concealer already and clean up a little bit under my eye. So there you go. So I'm done putting on the foundation and the concealer. So moving on, I'll be putting on the blush. This one, I'm still using the one from L'Oreal Paris. It's actually in the shade of 160. It's peach. So I'll just put in a little bit, just a little pop on my face so that it won't take away the focus from my eyes. And just a little pop right here, and a little pop on the other side. So it added a little bit of color to my face. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm not sure if there's something else that I missed. If you have any tips or any comment, just let me know. I'm willing to do another video and show you some improvement. Okay, so that's a wrap for today's makeup session, guys. I hope that you enjoy watching this video and this experience with me. If you have any tips, comments, or suggestions, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And do me a favor, please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.